In an increasingly digital financial world, services like Wise have transformed how we handle international money. Wise, with its multi-currency accounts and low-cost transfers, is a fantastic tool for many. However, a common question arises: how can I deposit physical cash into my Wise account? As a finance expert, I'm here to clarify this, ensuring you understand the practicalities and limitations. Let's get straight to the point. You generally cannot directly deposit physical cash into a Wise account. Wise operates as a digital-first financial institution. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches where you can walk in and hand over banknotes, Wise is an e-money institution. Its entire operation is online and through its mobile app. This digital-only model is precisely what allows Wise to offer its services at significantly lower costs and with greater efficiency for international transactions. So, if you have physical cash you want to use with your Wise account, you'll need to go through an intermediary step. Think of it as converting your physical cash into digital funds first. Why no direct cash deposits? The reasons Wise doesn't accept direct cash deposits are rooted in its operational model and regulatory obligations. No physical branches. As mentioned, Wise doesn't have a network of physical branches or ATMs where cash can be processed. Building and maintaining such an infrastructure would significantly increase their operating costs, which would then be passed on to customers through higher fees. Security and fraud prevention. Handling physical cash comes with inherent security risks and challenges in terms of anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Digital transactions leave a clear audit trail, which is much easier to monitor and regulate for financial crime prevention. Efficiency. Wise's strength lies in its speed and efficiency for digital transfers. Integrating cash handling would introduce delays and complexities that contradict its core value proposition. Your options for getting cash into your Wise account. Since direct cash deposits aren't possible, here are the common and most efficient methods to fund your Wise account if you start with physical cash. 1. Deposit cash into a traditional bank account first. This is the most straightforward and recommended method. Step 1. Deposit cash at your local bank. Take your physical cash to your personal bank, where you have a checking or savings account. Deposit the cash into your bank account as you normally would. Step 2. Transfer funds from your bank to Wise. Once the cash is in your bank account and shows as available balance, you can then initiate a transfer from your bank to your Wise account. Wise provides you with local account details for various currencies, e.g., a UK sort code and account number for GBP, a US routing and account number for USD, a Euro IBAN for Euro. Log in to your Wise app or website. Select the currency balance you wish to add money to, e.g., USD, GBP, Euro. Choose the Add Money option. Select Bank Transfer or ACH, Wire Transfer, depending on your region and currency. Wise will provide you with their bank details. Go to your online banking portal or app, or even visit your bank branch, and set up a transfer to Wise using the details provided. Ensure the name on your bank account matches the name on your Wise account to avoid delays. This method effectively converts your physical cash into digital funds within your traditional bank, which then allows you to seamlessly transfer them to your Wise account. 2. Use a debit or credit card after depositing cash. If you've deposited cash into your bank account, you can also use a linked debit or credit card to add funds to Wise. Step 1. Deposit cash at your local bank. Same as above, get your physical cash into your traditional bank account. Step 2. Top up Wise using your card. In the Wise app or website, select the currency balance you want to top up. Choose the Add Money option. Select debit card or credit card as your payment method. Enter your card details and the amount you wish to add. Keep in mind that topping up with a debit or credit card often incurs a small fee, which Wise will clearly display before you confirm the transaction. Credit card payments might have higher fees due to their processing costs. 3. Receiving payments from others who have digital funds. While not a direct cash deposit, if someone owes you money in cash, they could deposit it into their own bank account and then send it to your Wise account as a bank transfer. You would provide them with your Wise local account details for the relevant currency. They would then initiate a bank transfer from their bank account to your Wise account, just like any other bank transfer.